This is the Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Wednesday, March 20th. I'm Jalen Rogers. SOL testing continues with the free writing portion for 11th grade students, but that doesn't mean everything shuts down. Yesterday, the Maury baseball team scored an impressive 7-5 victory over area number 1 team Greenbrier Christian. Ben Capehart pitched 5 innings and belted a triple to lead the Commodores. In tennis, the girls' team defeated Lansdowne behind Zeta McMorris and Maya Bird, who won singles matches, and combined to clinch the victory with a win in doubles. Last night, the girls' soccer team fought to a 2-2 tie with Norfolk Academy in the cold and wind of Powhatan Field. Now here's Quante Bristow in the control room with what's coming up on the athletic schedule.
Thanks, Jalen. Today, the softball team has a game versus Mitchville. The game starts here at 4 at Maury. The baseball team has a game against Western Branch at Western Branch High School. The game begins at 5. The boys soccer team has a match against Kecoughtan at Powhatan. The match begins at 7:15. Tomorrow, the girls softball team will travel to Kempsville to take on the Chiefs. The game begins at 4. The girls tennis team will travel to Great Bridge. Matches begin at 4. The JV baseball team will have a game versus Norfolk Christian at Norfolk Christian. Finally, the girls varsity soccer team will play against Norfolk Collegiate at Powhatan. The match begins at 7. That's all for upcoming events. Don't forget to support the Commodores teams. Back to you, Jalen.
Thanks, Quante. Now here's what's happening at MHS. That's all for this update. I'm Jalen Rogers. Have a great day.
This has been a Commodore News Update.